1 Honda, a compact hybrid that redefines convenience, efficiency, and everyday practicality for families and city drivers alike. As Honda prepares to launch a brand new compact model in 2026, enthusiasts around the world are buzzing about its unique combination of sliding doors, advanced HEV hybrid technology and remarkable fuel economy, pushing past 30 km per liter in real-world driving. This is not just the next Honda, it's a bold statement about the future of efficient people movers where innovation meets everyday life. Undoubtedly, the inspiration for this upcoming Honda is the phenomenal success of the N-Box, the K-car that has dominated Japan's roads for years with its boxy silhouette, ultra-efficient packaging and vast interior space despite its tiny footprint. The N-Box remains the quintessential example of Honda's mastery in designing cars that feel larger on the inside than they look on the outside, a trait that has made it one of the most beloved vehicles in Japan's crowded urban streets. Its open, airy cabin, ingenious storage solutions and passenger-friendly accessibility have set the standard for compact cars, especially in terms of practicality and comfort. The new 2026 Honda compact car takes this legacy a step further by offering sliding doors, a feature rarely seen in Honda's small car lineup but long appreciated in minivans and family vehicles for their convenience in tight parking spaces and ease of entry and exit, especially for children and older passengers. Sliding doors are a thoughtful addition that instantly elevates usability. No more awkwardly opening conventional doors in packed parking lots or trying to squeeze in and out with groceries and luggage. This feature alone is set to make the new model a go-to choice for urban families, commuters and anyone who values practical design rooted in real-world use. Under the skin, Honda's next-generation HEV hybrid system represents a major leap forward in hybrid technology. This advanced system intelligently blends electric and gasoline power, automatically optimizing between electric-only driving, hybrid driving and direct engine drive for maximum efficiency. Next-generation HEV components, including newly developed engines and more efficient motors, are designed to improve combustion efficiency and reduce fuel consumption dramatically. Honda's hybrid architecture has already proven itself in larger models by delivering class-leading fuel economy, and the scaled-down version for this compact car is projected to exceed 30 km per liter, an extraordinary figure for its class that speaks to Honda's commitment to eco-friendly mobility without sacrificing performance. The interior reflects Honda's signature philosophy of simplicity and usability. Expect a cabin that feels open and bright, with clean dashboard lines, strategically placed storage cubbies and thoughtful touches that make everyday driving more pleasant. The vehicle's compact dimensions belie its clever packaging, ensuring that passengers have generous legroom and headroom while cargo space remains flexible enough for strollers, luggage or weekly shopping. With advanced connectivity features and intuitive controls, the cockpit promises a driving experience that's both functional and enjoyable. Safety and driver assistance technology will play a big role as well. Honda's latest suite of safety features, likely an evolution of Honda Sensing, will support drivers with automated braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control and collision mitigation systems that help prevent accidents before they happen, a reassuring set of tools that enhance confidence behind the wheel. What makes this launch particularly exciting is how Honda is blending day-to-day practicality with forward-looking sustainability. At a time when fuel efficiency and environmental responsibility are top priorities for global drivers, a compact hybrid that delivers sliding door convenience, excellent cabin space and world-class fuel economy positions itself not just as a car, but as a smart lifestyle choice. In the crowded world of compact vehicles, Honda's 2026 hybrid with sliding doors has the potential to stand out as a symbol of thoughtful engineering, an ideal mix of efficiency, practicality and innovation that meets the needs of modern drivers. As we count down to its release, anticipation is high for a car that promises to carry Honda's legacy into a new era of urban mobility.